Hello, I am Felipe Perez, your guide in the technological world. Welcome to Felper's Technology, the channel where you'll learn to master the most in-demand skills in computer science and technology. Here, you'll find practical and dynamic tutorials. Are you ready to unlock technological knowledge and be part of the digital revolution? Join my community and become part of Felper's Technology. Hello, this time I bring you this Epson L6270 printer, where I will teach you how to print double-sided. This printer already has the duplex printing functionality, so you just have to configure it from the computer to automatically make double-sided prints. To use the duplex functionality, what you have to do is click here on the printer, and this screen will appear where we will see the printing properties. The first thing I have to select is Properties, because I want to change the properties to make the double-sided printing. Notice that here it tells me that it's in A4 document size. If I don't change it, the printer won't print double-sided. I have to change these properties to letter size because that's the paper I have. Then I have to make the change where it says double-sided printing. Notice that it's disabled, so I have to enable it, and I will activate it, but I will select long edge mode. Here this screen appears where it indicates that automatic double-sided printing will be activated, and I just have to select accept. Here we also have other types of double-sided printing: automatic and manual functions. The long edge prints as if you were opening a book. The one that says short edge, the printing is as if it were a block book. Even observe here in this image, the sheet shows that it will turn upwards. When I change the long edge option, observe that the image shows that the sheet will turn to the left. Well, with this configuration now, I select OK. Hi everyone, I am Felipe Perez. Did you know that tutorials are evaluated by YouTube's technology algorithm? And what does this mean? Well, it means that the algorithm analyzes if the tutorial receives likes, comments, or subscriptions. And based on that, they recommend them to more people who want to learn about this topic. Otherwise, they simply disappear. My main goal is to help you and many others who want to learn. And you can be part of this mission so easily, just by liking or leaving a comment. That way, we can contribute to helping others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a like. Let's continue. This document contains two sheets. Notice that at the bottom, it indicates the number of sheets the document has. Here, it indicates that it has two sheets. I can even preview them before sending them to print. Here you can also see that the functionality of printing on both sides of the paper is already marked because it was the configuration that I changed in the properties, where the important thing is that you notice you first had to activate the functionality, and secondly, the size of the paper. In A4 size, the duplex functionality doesn't work because I have letter size sheets, even if I have selected to print on both sides of the paper. Now I just have to click on the print button, and this will automatically double-sided printing. Let's wait a few seconds for it to reach the printer. The printer activates. Notice that the paper rotation will be done automatically. I don't have to change it manually. The printer automatically rotates the paper with the duplex printing system. So with this functionality, it automatically changes the sheet and prints on both sides of the paper. Ready. The document that is printed on both sides of the paper has been printed. You can see it here. Well, I hope this tutorial helps you and you use it. Thank you very much for being here and watching. See you soon.